is when it comes to brain health, I think about it as more of an umbrella term. So, brain health to me is sort of like how we experience our brain function day to day, right? But also, how do we prevent dementia in the future? Because that's a big fear for a lot of people, especially as we get older, right?
Mm.
It's the number one fear right now. People fear it more than cancer, more than heart disease, more than any other medical condition, right? And what most people don't realize, even though it's been written about a lot, it's been talked about, right? There's actually up to a third of dementia cases that can be prevented through lifestyle alone. And the data is super solid on that, right? So if we start intervening with lifestyle 20 years before, we can actually prevent and delay so many cases of dementia.
Mm.
And so it's really incumbent on us to dial in our lifestyle and get a hold of how to prioritize taking care of ourselves and protect our brains.
So when you talk about can be preventive, what are the things we can do so it can prevent having dementia?
Well, there's a long list of things.
Mhm.
So if you think about it in terms of, for example, I'm just going to make an analogy here, right? So if you think about like, okay, so how do I prevent heart disease?
Mm.
Right? So what I do is I exercise, right? I eat a healthy diet. I make sure that I am controlling my blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, or blood sugar, cholesterol, right? And so those are the things that I know, don't smoke, don't be around people, so you're exposed to secondhand smoke. These are all things that we've known for years. And we know that if we do those things that we can prevent heart disease or delay it like down the road. Turns out what's good for the heart is also what's good for the brain.